Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on 3D figures. As you can see, our today's question is a numeric entry question, wherein we are given that Emily must ship a cylinder-shaped gift with a height of 11 inches and a volume of 176 pi cubic inches. Next, we are asked to find the volume in cubic inches of the smallest rectangular box which can contain this cylinder. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't, please do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we move on to the typed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is 704. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So it is given to us that Emily has a cylinder-shaped gift with a height of 11 inches. Thus, the height of the cylinder is 11. Now, the volume of the cylinder is given to us as 176 pi cubic inches. We know that the volume can be represented as pi into r square h, where r is the radius of the cylinder. H is already given to us as 11. Hence, all we need to do is substitute the value of h and find r, which is equal to root over 176 pi divided by 11 pi, giving us an answer of 4. Now, we know the radius of the cylinder, and hence the diameter of the cylinder will be equal to 2 times its radius, that is 8. Now, the rectangular box which will contain the cylinder should have a base of at least 8 into 8 so as to contain the base of the cylinder and a height of 11 so as to contain the whole cylinder. Hence, the smallest rectangular box will have a volume of 8 into 8 into 11 cubic inches, that is 704 cubic inches. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.